Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remote start your Cadillac XT4. First, make sure your vehicle is completely locked. This is a crucial safety step before initiating the remote start process. The remote start feature is designed to work within a range of about 200 feet from your vehicle, offering convenience from a distance. Also, confirm your vehicle is in park and the hood is fully closed for the system to engage properly. To begin, locate your key fob. Press the lock button once to ensure all doors are securely closed. Immediately after, press and hold the remote start button for at least 4 seconds. You'll notice the engine start and the parking lamps will illuminate, indicating a successful remote start. The vehicle will run for 10 minutes, providing ample time to prepare for your drive. Once remote started, the parking lamps will stay illuminated for the full 10-minute cycle, serving as a visual confirmation. The climate control system will intelligently adjust to the outside temperature, warming or cooling the cabin for your comfort. If you don't enter the vehicle within 10 minutes, it will automatically shut down to conserve fuel and maintain security. You can repeat the process for another 10 minutes if needed. Remember, never use remote start in an enclosed area such as a garage, as exhaust fumes can be dangerous. You can utilize the remote start feature for 2 consecutive 10-minute cycles, giving you a total of 20 minutes of run time. Once you enter the vehicle, simply press the brake pedal to take full control and transition from remote start to normal operation. Enjoy the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.